All right, what's up, guys? So I have a Pulsar portable dual fuel generator. This is the HD6580B model. 6,580 watts. That's what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is just an unboxing video to see what you get in the box. So let's take these bands off. So we have some instructions, protective cardboard. Let's get the foam out, more protective cardboard. It's in there nice and snug, whatever it is. We got wheels. What is this? Oil, I got some type of lubricant. We got some more hardware pieces, hoses, some connector hose. Looks like a fuel funnel, some more hardware pieces in here. These look like the handles. Alright, so I don't know why I set it all right here. Just to take it right back off. And I think that's it. I think the last thing is the generator itself. Now let me see if I can lift it out. I'm gonna try to lift it out. If not, I'm gonna just cut the box open because this box is pretty heavy. Let's see. We got another hardware piece right here. Let's see. Can you move that box? All right, let me set it down. Make sure I don't set it on my feet because I don't have shoes on. I have flip-flops on. All right, there you have it, the Pulsar HD6580B dual fuel generator. I'll put it together in a second. It's only a few things to put on, some wheels and the handle. And yeah, that's pretty much what you get in the box. Don't plan on using this thing much, just more of a backup home generator. And again, those are the accessories. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. Okay, so at this point, it's all put together. All we had to do was install the wheels, put the handles on, and some rubber feet for the bottom. Now let's add the oil. All right, pour the oil in here. Here, pour the oil. Okay, go ahead, pull.
You can do it.
Stop.
Pull.
It's hard?
It's hard.
Let's see.
It's broken.